Lana, you and I, more me, were two of the best secret agents in the world.
Do something.
I can't because I left my lightsaber in my other space pants. Ow!
Do you think I deserve it?
What?
Do you think I deserve your full attention?
I had to swear an oath before we began this deposition, and I don't want to perjure myself, so I have a legal obligation to say no.
Okay, no. You don't think I deserve your attention?
I think if your clients want to sit on my shoulders and call themselves tall, they have a right to give it a try, but there's no requirement that I enjoy sitting here listening to people lie.
Blood can be only donated by you. It cannot be processed, drilled, or manufactured. In the United States, only 38% of people can donate. However, less than 10% of them do, while 41,000 people need donations every day.
L'obituario del Cole.